has taken all necessary steps to restore what damage that has happened. He is working tirelessly from last 55 hours. I am watching. The inquiry by the CBI is different. I am not going to comment on that. Congress leaders have taken some stand. On the day, the midnight when the accident took place, at about 12:30 I tweeted, it is here, it's 12:13 midnight, I tweeted about the accident and cautioned the officers to take all necessary steps. My party is not to attack on political motivated. There is, let the inquiry be completed, and the minister is doing his best. And the question of demanding the resignation of the minister at this stage is not wise, proper. That's my honest opinion.
Sir, as far as these all parties are coming together to fight against BJP, what is your stand on that, sir?
No, but we are here, our party has taken the decision to, first of all, we wanted to strengthen the party in the local elections. We have not yet taken any decision on the parliament issue.
Going along with these like-minded parties?
Nothing, don't unnecessarily go on. First of all, we want to strengthen the party for the local body elections. That is the first meeting. About Lok Sabha 2024, another 1 year, the party will take the decision. We are with left parties, with RSP. At that time, they will sit and decide.
Both the national parties
No, please, don't unnecessarily. No, please, don't unnecessarily.
Sir, both the national parties here in Karnataka says that
Don't unnecessarily. You always try to make some